Hey Stampers, welcome to another week of Watch It Weekly Wednesday. I'm Aubrey, part of the Stampin' Jill creative team, and today I'm excited to share with you some of the products of the Peaceful Poppies suite in the mini catalog. I put together this bundle of products and it gets you up to $50 so you can get a free celebration item. And I wanted to show you some of the cards that I made using all of these items together with the free celebration item that I got. So first, let me tell you what items I'm using. The first thing is the Peaceful Poppies paper, the DSP. This paper is so beautiful. It is one of my favorites in the mini catalog. You can see here, it has all sorts of different flower papers and then just cute designs. The thing with this paper is you want to just have it and hoard it, but the best thing to do is use it because you can put it on cards and make them so beautiful. So this bundle of product encourages you to do that. The next thing that I'm using in this bundle is the Peaceful Poppies elements. These are really fun. I think they're a little bit looked over sometime in the catalog. They're only $6.50 for all of the elements, and they come with these really cute designs on them. So you have a black piece that kind of has these embossed pieces that you can put on a card. There's these ones that are already colored for you of poppies. They're so cute. There's some vellum pieces you can kind of see there. You can see the ones that I've used. There's also these watercolor ones. Let me grab those out. These watercolor pieces. Now these ones are cool too because they have embossing on them. So you can just color over it and then you get that embossed look without having to do embossing. It's kind of amazing. So these are really fun and you actually get a lot of different elements in there. It's a really good bang for your buck. The next thing I used from this suite was the crinkled seam binding. It's Whisper White. It's super cute. I've seen actually with this seam binding, people will color it different colors with the blends, which is really awesome. That's one of the great things about having a white ribbon is that you can color it with the blends, but it's beautiful by itself too. So that's a really fun piece. And then also, I couldn't help but having the Peaceful Poppies sequins. These are so cute, so pretty. There's all these different colors. There's poppy, black, gold, clear. They're really pretty. They're only $7 for all of these, and there's like, it says 750 in there. There's so many. You can get so much out of that. So that's an awesome buy. Also, you have two sets of blends. There, I have Mossy Meadow and Poppy Parade in there. So I used these products that I said, and that gets you to $50.50, and then you get the Sending You Thoughts stamp set for free, which is so fun. So those are the sayings that I used on my cards. So let me pull in the cards that I did. They are so cute and so fun, and like I said, I used the paper because I love this designer series paper. So you can see all the different elements that I used there. So fun. I loved this one, putting the vellum over the pieces of on the paper, the flowers on the paper. So cute. And then you can see on this one here, I colored these are the those elements that had the embossing on them. I colored them with the blends, and this one too, I did the same. So fun. And then these other ones, I just used the different elements on the cards. And they turned out so cute. I had such a good time playing with it, and it was really, really simple to do. So make sure you hurry up and order these products before Celebration runs out. Celebration goes through March 31st of 2020. The mini catalog with the Peaceful Poppies suite, those products, that goes through June. So you can still get those, but hurry and get this cute stamp set before it's all gone. I hope you enjoyed the video today. We'll see you next week for another Watch It Weekly Wednesday.